When we're talking about AC replacement, a well-installed base system is always going to perform even better than a poorly installed high-efficiency system. So how do we make sure that we install a good system every single time, regardless of what that unit is? One is doing a load calculation of the heat load of that house that we're trying to satisfy to make sure that the system is going to be able to do both temperature control and humidity control efficiently. Another is going to be making sure that all of the connections on the air side are flowing through properly, and a lot of times that takes replacing either the supply plenum or the return plenum or both to make sure everything on the new indoor unit fits up to the existing ductwork and that everything flows properly. And finally, you want to make sure that all of those ancillary connections, like if it's a gas furnace, you want to make sure the gas connection is installed safely and according to code, and your drain line system is installed properly and flowing correctly so you're not going to deal with leakages later. And all of those are things that you would assume gets done every single time, but surprisingly, we end up fixing a lot of those type of mistakes further on down the line when we see them on somebody's existing system. If you want more information on a well-installed AC unit, you can go to our website at www.du-west.com.